Folks, you know that moment when you realize your audience loves your content, but turning that attention into actual revenue feels tricky. You have followers, engagement, maybe even a decent email list, but converting those people into paying members is a different challenge. I am Daniel, and recently I wanted to find a better way to monetize without constantly launching new courses. In this video, I'm going to show you what I discovered about building a paid community. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description. After watching this video, there might be some nice discounts there. Let's dive into it. Mates, when I say paid community, I do not mean one more group chat or a single course launch. This is an ongoing home where people pay for access to you, to each other, and to a clear path of progress. That model is powerful because revenue does not reset to zero every month. New people join, current members renew, and the same effort stacks instead of starting from scratch. Instead of building a fresh funnel every few weeks, you focus on one space where value happens on repeat. With the right setup, that one space becomes the engine of stable monthly income. Friends, if you have been searching for a way to run a paid community, you have probably seen Circle, School, and Disco. They help you host content and organize members, but most of the activity still feels like a structured forum. Circle works well if you want a course-driven setup. It offers clean layouts, organized discussion spaces, and a familiar community format that many creators already understand. It is great for hosting lessons and written resources. The limitation is that it still leans heavily on text threads, so deeper interaction often moves elsewhere when members want more personal communication. Guys, School is strong if you care about gamification and streak-style motivation. The points, levels, and leaderboards can keep people logging in regularly, and its layout is simple enough for almost anyone to use. At the same time, the experience is built around posts and comments, so the sense of presence depends on how active your audience is. Disco is a solid choice for creators who want everything structured into pathways, programs, and content hubs. It bundles many useful features for program management and learner progress. The trade-off is that the experience can spread across different areas and tools, which makes interaction feel more fragmented when the community grows. Folks, all of these tools are strong in their own way and can work well depending on your goals. But if what you want is stronger connection, more natural interaction, and a space that feels alive, you need a different approach. That is where Swarm stands out. It focuses on the kind of human engagement that text-based platforms struggle to create. Friends, Swarm is a video-first community home that closes the gap between content and real connection. Video is not a bonus feature here, it is the medium that creates belonging. When members see faces, hear voices, and feel the energy in short clips, trust builds faster and conversations stay alive. The result feels less like a forum and more like a room where people actually know each other. That kind of environment is where members return regularly and feel happy to pay every month. Mates, it also works as a one-stop shop, all in one hub. You can run memberships, courses, and live events here, then layer in async updates and coaching without touching extra tools. All communication and learning stay inside one system. On top of that, you can offer a fully branded mobile app for your community. Competitors like Circle and Mighty often charge thousands extra for this, while Swarm includes mobile apps on its top-tier plan. Folks, let me show you how this all works in practice. The nice thing is that getting started here is fast and does not require any tech skills. First, you define who you are and what kind of community you want to build. Then you create your first space. You fill in the space name and upload an image. You can pick an icon color to match your brand. There are two space types here, one for groups and one for private sessions. This makes it flexible for different membership tiers. Mates, once your space is created, you pick a template to get started quickly. The platform generates a link to your space. You copy it and move forward. If you want to set up payments, just connect Stripe. It takes about 2 minutes. Now you configure your space using a simple checklist. It walks you through 6 steps with detailed descriptions. On the left side, you see a panel with different hubs where you can create posts. Text, video, or voice notes all work, and you can edit hubs around as needed. Friends, let me show you how posting works. You create a simple post and send it to a hub where it appears instantly for everyone. Members interact with it in real time, adding responses while the system updates view counts on the spot. Private groups work the same way, with custom settings for specific needs. You can even set duration limits for video and audio if that's something you need. There's also a test space where you can try things before making them live. Folks, this is handy when you want to experiment without affecting your main community. At the bottom you see a toolbar with useful features, and the most interesting one is probably Go Live. You click it, create an event, and choose the event type. You pick the date and give the event a clear title with a short description. After that, you decide who is allowed to join. You can also set details like location and maximum number of attendees. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. Now, here's something smart about live events. You can run them directly inside Swarm without juggling different tools. No more sending Zoom links or dealing with confused members trying to find the right platform. But if you already use Zoom or Google Meet, you can still connect those. Everything gets recorded automatically and dropped into your community hub, which is really convenient. Members who missed it can catch up without you manually uploading anything. Mates, courses are built right into the platform too, so you can host and sell them where your community already lives. This means you're upselling to people who already know and trust you instead of selling to cold traffic. Swarm even includes certificates for course completion, which people really appreciate. You create a course with modules and lessons, then add video content, worksheets, and action items. You can set up drip releases or unlock options for better pacing, plus you get progress tracking to keep members accountable. Friends, here's a cool feature that keeps people engaged. At the end of each module, you can ask members to submit homework in a dedicated hub. For payments, you get your own store URL, which is basically your digital storefront built right in. You link Stripe to your account and shape your offers in one place. Memberships and digital products go live together, so you can start selling right away. Swarm feels premium, but stays accessible, with a starter plan for new communities and simple upgrades as your needs grow. Guys, if you're running multiple offers, you can create separate spaces for different purposes. This makes it super customizable to how you work with people. Communication tools are built in too, so you can have private threads with individual clients or group discussions. Videos and voice notes get auto-transcribed and summarized by AI, which makes it easy to get the message without watching the full clip. Another feature I like is the ability to star certain replies from clients. Folks, this creates a to-do list, so nothing falls through the cracks, and it replaces Slack, email, and other messaging tools in one place. On the Scale plan, you can white label the entire platform to match your brand completely. Members can download the mobile app and get branded notifications, so it feels like they have a customized portal made just for them. Alright friends, let's wrap it up. Turning followers into paying members is about creating a space where people feel valued. The platform you choose plays a big role in making that happen. Swarm stands out because it's built to keep your community alive. It's built for real human connection and engagement. And its high-quality video-first features are exactly what makes that possible. If you've been thinking about starting a paid community, this is worth considering. It gives you the structure to scale without losing that personal touch. Mates, what's stopping you from launching your own paid community right now? Drop your biggest challenge in the comments below. Feel free to check out the links in the description, you might find some discounts there. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, until next time.